Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace Gearbox Toyota Corolla, updated. Begin by securing the car and disconnecting the battery to avoid shorts. Drain gearbox fluid and support the engine with a jack and block. Remove the drive shafts and starter to access transmission bolts. Label connectors and fasteners to simplify reassembly later. Keep a clean workspace and a tray for small parts to avoid lost hardware during the swap. Once the car is safely supported and battery disconnected, support the gearbox with a transmission jack before loosening mount bolts. Remove ancillary parts like the starter, drive shafts, and shift linkage to gain clearance. Unbolt the gearbox from the bell housing, keeping track of bolt locations and lengths. Slowly lower the assembly, watching for wiring harnesses and fluid lines. Set the old gearbox aside and inspect the clutch, flywheel, and seals before installing the replacement. If you found these gearbox tips helpful, please subscribe and like to support more hands-on car guides. Quick recommendation: on long repair days your feet matter, so grab a pair of darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty for comfort and durability while you work under the car. They keep your feet warm and focused on the job, not blisters. Check the description for the link and other deals. Then now let's get back to the video. Position the replacement gearbox on the transmission jack and align the input shaft with the clutch disc and pilot bearing carefully. Raise the gearbox slowly and guide it into the bell housing until it seats fully. Insert and hand thread gearbox bolts, then torque them in a crisscross pattern to specified values. Reconnect drive shafts, linkage, wiring, and the starter. Refill with the correct gear oil, reconnect the battery, and test for proper engagement and leaks before lowering the car.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.